Welcome to Bednik Tutors YouTube channel. In this channel, we will be breaking down topics of each science subject in order for you to have a better understanding of each topics. Because as a teacher, we believe that every student should understand fully every topics they are being taught. So, in order not to miss out on any of our videos, because all the videos we'll be uploading are very important, please do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, like and share. We also have a Telegram channel where you can communicate with us, ask us questions, and meet with other educators. The link of our Telegram channel is in our YouTube bio and comment section. Now, say these after me. I understand mathematics. I understand physics. I understand chemistry. I understand further math. That is a spirit. Bending tutors. Excellence is our word.
Hello, welcome once again to Bailey Tutors YouTube channel, a channel where we upload content you can learn from. Oh yes, amazing content. Alright, so now on the board is what? Factorization. Okay, so today is what? Factorization. So we'll be treating to what? Factorization. Alright, so now on the board we have if x minus a is a factor of bx minus ax plus s squared minus ab. We are asked to find the what? Other factor. Alright, so one of these options what is correct. So before I dive in, I want to say this. If you need an online private tutor for your kids, okay, we are what? One step away from you. Okay, you can just chat us up what on the number you are seeing on the board. Thanks as you do so. Now we take mathematics, physics, and chemistry. Okay, mathematics, physics, and chemistry. Alright, thank you. Now we have what? Bx minus ax plus s squared minus ab. So now we have to find the other factor. We're given the first factor. So we want to find the second factor. Whenever you're having an equation like this, you must get what? Two factors. So we're given the first factor. So we want to get the second factor. So what are we going to do? We are going to collect like terms, alright? So we are going to bring similar alphabet. We are going to bring them together. That's what like terms is. Similar alphabet or similar numbers. We are going to bring them together. So let's write out now. Collect like terms. Alright, so that is that. So now let's bring them together. So we're going to bring s squared. This what minus ax, right? So this is b and this is b. So we're going to bring this together. So that will be what? Minus ab plus bx. Now you ask now, how are we going to arrange it? You can arrange it the way you want, alright? But the major thing is bringing the like terms together. Okay, so you can arrange them the way you want. Then you're going to still arrive at your answer. Okay, but the major thing is bringing the like terms together. Okay, so now what is similar? X is similar, so we're going to bring out x squared divided by x. So when one x cancel these two x, we are left with just one x. Okay, minus s cancel x, we are left with what? A. Now get this, whatever factor you get here, you must get the same factor at the other hand. Okay, so you must get that. So now there's a minus here, so minus will be at the middle. So what is common? B is common, so we're going to bring out the b. Alright, so b cancel b, we are left with a. Alright, so now plus times minus is minus. B cancel b, we are left with what? X. As I've said earlier, the way the factor is at the left hand side must be the same way it's going to be at the right hand side. But as you can see, we have x minus a here, a minus x here. What are we going to do? We are going to introduce a minus sign or negative sign, alright, to this end. So once we introduce a negative sign, we are going to get the same factor with this, alright. So just put introduce a negative sign and the second factor, which is this. Okay, so this is the second factor. So let's do that now. So this is x minus a minus b minus open bracket a minus x. Are you seeing it now? So we've introduced the negative sign, which is minus. So that would be x x minus a minus b. So this minus now will multiply everything in the bracket. So minus times a is what? Minus a. Minus times minus is what? Plus. Then this what? X. As you can see, it's not yet the same, but there's something we can do. We can just rearrange it. We can make this come first, which is x, then minus a. Alright, so it can be what? X, which is plus positive x, because there's a positive x here, so we can do that. So that will be x minus a. So it's going to be the same with this. I'm so sure you get that now. So now that will be x minus a minus b, x minus a. Are you seeing it now? So it's what is the same with this. If it's not the same, that equation is wrong. So you have to check it again. Alright, so now let's bring this out. So x minus b will come together. Then what? X minus a. X minus a as a what? First factor. So the next factor is what? X minus b. Okay, so our answer is what? Option B. So let's move to another question now. Alright, students, so now let's solve this question. So we have to factorize completely. Alright, and we're given what? These options, and one of these options is correct. Good. So now let's do that now. So we're going to what? Collect like terms. So let's see if what we have what like terms here, if it's well arranged here, if we can go on with this equation. Alright, so x squared, x here, then we have a and a is common. Alright, so we can make do with this, so we don't need to rearrange again. Alright, so we can just make do with this since we have what like terms. Alright, okay, so what is similar? X, bring it out. So x cancel one of this x, so we are left with just one x. That will be x. X divided by x, 1. So there's a minus here, we're going to bring it out. Okay, what is common? A. Bring out the a. A cancel a, we are left with what? X. Minus times plus minus. Are you seeing it now? A cancel a, we are left with 1. Alright, what do you observe? We have the same factor, so we are good to go. Okay, so let's bring this out. X minus a, we bring them together. And what's x minus 1? Alright, so this is very simple. Option A is the what correct answer. We have to factorize the expression am plus bn minus an minus bm. Alright, so these are the options, and one of these options, as we all know, is what correct. So let's solve. So we have am plus bn minus an minus bm. Alright, so what are we going to do? We are going to collect like terms. Like terms meaning that bringing what? The numbers that look alike, or the alphabet that look alike, we bring them together. Alright, that is what we are going to do. So collect like terms. Alright, so now let's look at the alphabet that looks alike. We have the am and what? The minus bm. Alright, so we also have minus an and plus bn. So let's bring this one together. Am minus bm minus an, you see the arrangement, plus bn. Alright, so we've collected the like terms. Alright, so now what are we going to do? So now what alphabet is similar? M is similar, so we're going to bring out the m. Alright, so we have am divided by m. Am divided by m, when you cancel one m, you'll be left with a. So we have a minus bm divided by m. When we cancel this m, we are left with b. Alright, so now what is common between these two now? We discover that what? N is common. Alright, but there is a minus here, so we can't just write n. So we have to write it with what? The minus. So it is important to know this. So this is what? Minus n. Are you seeing it now? Whatever you write here must what? Equal to the number wherever you'll be writing here. So wherever you'll be writing in this bracket must be the same with what you'll be writing in the other brackets. Okay, so note that. Alright, so minus an divided by minus n. So when you cancel this minus, that will be plus. So when we cancel this n, we'll be left with a. So that is a now. So bn divided by minus n. Okay, so when we cancel this minus, it will be what? Minus b. Because plus times minus is minus. So that will be minus b. As you can see now, what is here is also what's equal. Is also what's the same with what is here. So that is one thing about factorization. They must not be. If they are different, then that shows that equation is not correct. All right. So you have to check it again. So let's bring out this one outside first, then followed by this inside. That is m minus n. That will be m minus n. Then one of this. Would that pick one of this? A minus b. Are you seeing it now? So that's simple as that. So now let's see. It's correct. Option B is our answer. So let's solve